Hi, my name's Lee, and I'm one of the guides at Get Set Up. I want to invite you to a class that's been extremely well received called Introduction to Managing Your Parents' Affairs. Now, it could be anybody's affairs because we all need a team behind us. So, what happened to me was several years ago, my wife and I were managing four of our adult parents in the latter part of their lives. And it became very, very difficult to keep everything in place, such as their personal information, healthcare, financial information, utilities, houses, cars, and most of it was done from a remote location. So I set out to make a document that was available to not only myself, but also my brothers and sister-in-laws as well. So we could all manage our parents from remote locations and share the information in one easy to use place. And what we did is what we set out is they had stacks and stacks of files and different boxes, and things were stored in different locations and totes in the garage, and where was the safe deposit box. So what we're going to do, what we do in this course is we take all that information and all those files and all those important documentations and what happens at a funeral or a celebration of life. And we take it all and put it in one location and make it accessible to everybody. So I hope you're able to join me. I've had some great quotes that people have left some feedback that I'd like to share with you. One of them was, chock full of information, a godsend. How to stop procrastinating was one of them. Lee was very patient, knowledgeable, and gave us clear information, and we should all be aware of. My friends are doing this together to keep us all accountable. So I hope you're able to join us on this journey. I think it'll be very worthwhile to you and your family members. So I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.